Many people don't understand why they still water their snake plant, according to the methods used by professional growers, yet the plant still develops root rot. Hello, welcome to Great Garden Channel. So, where does the real problem lie? Today I will show you one mistake that many people often overlook, along with a simple method using common ingredients available in the kitchen to help keep the plant healthy and reduce the risk of root rot. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you don't miss any helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that snake plants do not need as much water as you might think. Many people believe that simply watering the plant with plenty of water according to a fixed schedule will help it grow lush and healthy. But in reality, what matters is not whether it is the scheduled day for watering, but how dry the growing medium inside the pot has become. If the soil remains constantly wet, water will occupy the spaces that should contain air, making it difficult for the roots to breathe and potentially causing the root system to weaken and rot over time. Therefore, before watering, check the moisture level of the growing medium and observe the condition of the plant. Besides checking the root system, we will prepare a solution from a familiar ingredient to continue caring for the plant. Do you have red onion at home? Red onion is a familiar ingredient in the kitchen and contains many natural compounds characteristic of the onion family. First, take one red onion and cut off about 1/4 of the bulb. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, finely chop the onion to prepare it for the soaking process. Red onion contains natural sulfur compounds along with flavonoids and small amounts of minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These compounds give red onion its natural characteristics and are also why the bulb and onion peels are often used by many people in homemade plant care recipes. Next, place all the chopped red onion peels into a clean glass cup. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. Add 500 milliliters of hot water to the cup containing the finely chopped red onion. Use a spoon to stir gently so that the components of the onion come into even contact with the water. Then, cover the cup tightly and let the solution soak for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I will strain out all of the onion residue, keeping only the clear liquid without any sediment. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have a solution to water the plant. Method 1. Take 1 soft cotton pad and soak it in the red onion solution. Then, gently wipe each side of the snake plant's leaves, especially areas where dust has accumulated for a long time. Wiping the leaves helps clean the surface, remove dust, and makes it easier for you to observe any unusual signs on the leaves. What problem does your plant struggle with the most this season? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help if I can. Besides snake plants, you can also use this method to wipe the leaves of other houseplants such as peace lily, Anthurium, or Pothos. The red onion solution can help clean the leaf surface, support limiting fungal and bacterial growth, and help the leaves remain clean, healthy, and vibrant. You should do this about once a week, especially when the leaves frequently accumulate dust or the plant is kept indoors. When wiping, use very gentle pressure to avoid scratching or damaging the leaf surface. Method 2. Pour the red onion solution into a watering can, then gently water around the base of the snake plant. When watering, use only a moderate amount, and only water when the growing medium is completely dry. Avoid keeping the soil constantly moist because snake plants have roots that can be easily damaged when exposed to waterlogged conditions for long periods. If you're enjoying these plant care tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective gardening advice. Besides snake plants, you can also use the remaining solution to water peace lily. The important thing is to check the moisture level of the growing medium before each watering and avoid allowing water to remain around the roots for too long. Simply water gently around the base so that the red onion solution gradually soaks into the growing medium and comes into contact with the roots, helping provide natural compounds, support healthy root development, and reduce conditions that are favorable for fungal and bacterial growth. Just use enough water to moisten the growing medium without overwatering or watering continuously. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a clean spray bottle. Then, gently mist a thin layer over the stems and leaf surfaces. It is best to do this in the early morning or late afternoon, while keeping the plant in a well-ventilated location so the leaf surfaces can dry naturally. Mist spraying helps distribute the solution evenly across the leaf surface in the form of fine droplets, reducing localized water accumulation that could affect the leaf tissue. In addition, when the plant is placed in a well-ventilated environment after spraying, the leaves can dry naturally and gently, helping maintain balanced moisture levels and reducing the risk of fungal diseases developing. You can also use this method for Christmas cactus, but only spray a very light amount, and avoid allowing water to remain on the segments for a long time. Regardless of which method you use, you should not overuse the solution. Always observe how the plant responds and combine this method with proper watering, suitable lighting, and a well-draining growing medium to reduce the risk of root rot. Results. After some time of consistent care, you will begin to notice positive changes in the plants. For the snake plant, the leaf surfaces will be cleaner, the leaves will become firmer and healthier, and they will maintain a more stable color when provided with sufficient light and properly timed watering. For the peace lily, the leaves will become fuller, healthier, and glossier, and the plant will continue producing new leaves when the root system develops steadily and the growing medium remains well aerated. For the Christmas cactus, the plant segments will maintain their green color and firmness, and the plant will grow more steadily when placed in suitable light, grown in a well-draining medium and not overwatered. However, remember that no solution can completely replace proper plant care. The most important things are still watering at the right time, using a well-draining growing medium, and providing the appropriate amount of light for each type of plant. Have you ever tried using red onion to care for your plants? Share your results in the comments so we can learn from and explore more simple ways to care for plants at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Great Garden, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new plant care videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.